In this video, we will go over Cloud CMA Live. But before you watch this video, make sure you check out our grab and go video on how to create a Cloud CMA video. Before we can get to Cloud CMA Live, you need to create a CMA. After you create a CMA, you have two options. One is to view a PDF, which is your traditional CMA. The other is CMA Live, which is a new interactive way to present your CMA report. After you created a CMA, you will see two links on the bottom of your report, View PDF and View Live. Let's click View Live. You are now taken to Cloud CMA Live. Within CMA Live, you will be given various tiles as you scroll down. Tiles such as what is a CMA, all your comps, average pricings, and more. When you select one of these tiles, it will lead you to additional information, which will be used as your slides in your virtual presentation. As you click on the tiles, you will receive more information behind them. And if you click on the hamburger menu, in the upper left-hand corner, you will see the tiles all laid out in an easy-to-choose outline. On the bottom left is Start a Virtual Meeting. This is where you can easily start a virtual meeting with your client. You can use various platforms like Zoom, Google Hangout, and Skype. Once you start your virtual meeting, you can then click on Start Presentation, and you are able to present your CMA presentation. Let's click through some of these slides. You can see the data is interactive. This shows which property is associated with the statistic here. You can also use this pencil on the middle lower bar. You can now annotate the page as you present to your client. Once you finish showing your client the slides, you are able to email this to your client by clicking on your initials on the upper right-hand corner and click on Email Report. Now you know about Cloud CMA's awesome new feature, CMA Live.
If you have any questions, you can always contact us at 925-730-7100. Thank you.